Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the most dangerous topic, that is cities creation. This is everything is created. In this basically we are discussing the 20% error. In 20% error basically software industry are also basically having error. One of the person told that basically you are discussing error basically you discuss about the software industry also. So this is that software industry error basically. So the combination says that basically the words basically which is given by the Oxford group basically, that basically say that basically this is the future basically of the software industry, and this will be the combination of the words basically which is going to be used in the software industry in the future basically, for the future basically, that also you can say. Then he told that basically yes basically you can see that future basically, then he told that yes basically, yeah. So one person told that brain brain cancer equal to what basically, then he told that basically these all are the set of words. Heart attack equal to what, these all are the set of words basically. The medicine, these all are the set of words. Words equal to what, then he told that the cities basically. So what you are designing in software industry, one of the person told that this only things just now basically I told that only basically I am designing. So that word basically who is giving you basically, then it that Oxford group basically, we can't create the word basically here. To create word basically, that is basically the one city you have to create basically here. To create to create words basically you have to create the cities basically, that basically software industry can't do here basically. We can just manage the thing basically here, we can't create the city basically, we can't become the doctor here basically, because this keeps on changing basically. If one person say that basically we will finish the doctor industry only basically and take over their place basically, then basically that person basically has to be that person basically might be thinking totally wrong basically, because doctor industries are totally different. The blood cells process, the blood cells basically keeps on doing the process, and the data keeps on changing the process, and the medicines basically are also keeps on changing. So that is not possible basically. So that basically person was thinking basically was totally wrong basically. One person told that basically. Then basically one of the person told that software industry got how many words here basically, then he told that basically we just got few words here basically, that also we are basically just telling the few the that people basically told that basically you can take this word, you can take that word basically. Then he told that basically okay basically I will take that word basically. Then he told that basically okay just take that word basically. Then he told that okay basically I will take that word basically. Then one of the person told that you are basically taking that word, you are taking this word, you are taking that word. Then but one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically words basically are equal to what basically. Then it tells the words are equal to that Oxford group basically knows basically what actually words are. Then one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically words are equal to cities, and cities are equal to cities are created basically. Then one of the person told that yes, here basically cities are actually created. Then he told that yes, basically cities are created actually. Then one of the person told that cities are basically created. Then one of the person told that cities are created. That's okay basically. Then one of the person told that basically who is basically controlling the software companies basically. Then one of the person told that basically Uttar Pradesh, Biharis and Madhya Pradesh basically. They are telling that basically they are good into IITs, they are good into IIMs, and they are basically controlling the words basically. And they are basically controlled by the Maharashtrian people basically. So that basically you visited the Maharashtra basically, yes basically, where basically you have not got the job. That Maharashtra, yes basically, that Maharashtra only basically. So they are telling that basically we will not give you the job basically. We will basically not give you the job basically. We are not going to give you the job basically. That basically words basically they are told. So just taking as an example basically, but really this basically has happened basically. So in this assume that basically 200 error basically my error is also there. So the responsible group basically are set of groups basically who are basically creating the error basically, who are telling that basically we will not give Sunil or Nair job basically, do whatever basically things you want to do basically. So that is also there basically. So one of the person told that basically. Then one of the person told that basically this is the combination basically which is basically getting created. That is 1 crore human needs basically which is created used by 200 crore people. Then he told that yes basically 200 crore people has created this. Then basically the sixth number comes, that is sixth number comes, that is these all are basically actually combinations basically, and that is very dangerous basically. If this combination exceeds, then what are the things happen, and why that basically 100 plane basically get crashing basically, that also we will discuss basically. So this we will discuss about this combination, very dangerous combination. First we will discuss the points basically. Sixth point basically comes is the groups who are creating this text box equal to 1,000 cities. That is also too much basically. 1,000 cities, because 1,000 cities basically I have taken as a maximum basically. In really basically it might be 100 city, it might be 500 city. So one of the person told that maximum cities are also basically taken like this basically, combo box equal to 2,000 cities. So the groups who creates this and created this, then basically seventh number is glacier. That is basically I think this the next one basically. Glacier format created according to this above combination data. So this is the most dangerous thing basically. That's why basically one of the person told that basically we are doing 100 plane crash. So he says that basically this is the only way basically, on the base of that only basically we are doing that 100 plane. So that 100 plane basically the government then government basically don't know that is 100% sure basically. The reason is government basically today is some another government, day after tomorrow is basically another government basically. So government basically don't know about that 100 plane crash. That is 100% sure basically. Then basically this is the main topic basically, that is on the base of this only basically these all are basically created. So one of the person told that basically what is the maximum temperature or basically तापमान of this above this basically, this will copy with this only basically. This glacier of software. So what is the maximum temperature of this glacier basically? So in next video basically we are going to see that maximum temperature basically, what is created by the creation basically done by of the glacier basically on the base of the software industry data.